Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about GBP USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 27th to 31st October 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in GBP USD on Friday. So currently 0.16% negative move, 1.33023 was the closing on Friday. I will be talking about what is going to happen in coming week and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. Here if I talk about the weekly chart candle, we can see a bearish candle with a good body and a small lower and upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI, it is around oversold area, which is giving us an indication of a positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on our one-day chart. So let's open our one-day chart over here. So this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, currently we can see a good marking of support and resistance zone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon and also click on the all notification tab so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on the channel. Also, here we can see important support and resistance zones are already marked, so we don't need to mark any data. Currently I can see a different data. Let's mark, just change this data here. I've done the changes. You can also do the changes on your chart as well. So let's now talk about the closing first. So here 1.33023 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.32892 and here the direct resistance is 1.33394. After direct support, there is a support of 1.32430 and then 1.32035. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.33805 and then 1.34312. Here, these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out. So if you don't know what is funded account and how the payout will be processed, I have already made a dedicated payout video as well, where I have shared a live withdrawal where I have withdrawn a certain amount. You can check that video as well on my channel. So now let's talk about my opinion in GBP USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a positive closing. I'm expecting a positive move in this range, that is 1.33394 to 1.3805. I am expecting a closing in this range for this week. Also, if you're going for a short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 1.32892 gets breached on a one-day candle and we get a closing on a one-day candle, then we can go for a short trade till 1.32430. This will help you to take a better momentum. Also, overall my expectation is a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section, and if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.